Welcome to today's discussion. If you're running a hotel, managing a venue, or exploring opportunities in hospitality, I'm glad you're here. We're going to talk about innovative ways to showcase your property and drive more bookings through accessible and effective technology. Let's get started with the questions I'm asked most frequently. Our first question is, what makes virtual property tours so effective for hospitality businesses? Virtual property tours eliminate guesswork for potential guests. When someone is considering booking your hotel or venue, they want certainty. A virtual tour delivers that by letting them explore your property as if they're already there. They can navigate through corridors, step into suites, examine conference facilities, all from their device. This transparency builds immediate trust. Properties using virtual tours report significantly higher booking rates because guests feel confident about their decision. Our second question is, how does 360-degree technology enhance the guest experience? 360-degree technology hands control to your potential guest. Unlike traditional photography, 360 views let them look everywhere. They can examine details, check views, assess room dimensions, and understand spatial relationships. For event planners, they can virtually stand at key positions and see what their guests will see. For hotel guests, they can verify workspace, bathroom layout, or balcony views. This detail reduces uncertainty and creates excitement. Our third question is, are there really free applications for creating professional virtual tours? Absolutely. There are free applications that produce professional results without requiring technical expertise or expensive equipment. Many work with standard smartphones. You simply move through your property capturing images, and the software creates smooth, navigable virtual tours. This means a small boutique hotel can showcase their property as effectively as a major chain. Our fourth question is, how should I integrate virtual tours into my marketing strategy? Make the virtual tour prominent on your website, especially your homepage and room pages. Ensure your property listing on stay4u.com includes your virtual tour, distinguishing you from competitors. Share segments on social media and include links in email campaigns. Create multiple pathways for potential guests to discover your property virtually.